experiencing no sound, Bluetooth connection problems, or freezing with your Polk Audio Soundbar. A factory reset can often resolve these issues by restoring the device to its original settings, clearing out glitches, and refreshing the software. It's a simple yet effective solution for common problems. Common problems that a factory reset can fix include no sound output, which often results from HDMI pass-through issues or audio mismatches, Bluetooth connection problems like pairing failures or disconnections, and freezing or crashing, typically caused by firmware glitches or memory overload. A factory reset restores your Polk Audio Soundbar to its original factory settings, erasing custom configurations and paired devices. This process clears out firmware glitches that cause freezing or connectivity issues and refreshes the software to resolve problems like no sound from HDMI conflicts. It's effective in 85 to 90% of cases, according to user reports. Overall, a factory reset is a simple yet effective troubleshooting step that can resolve many common issues with your Polk Audio Soundbar without needing professional repair. It's important to know the difference between a soft reset and a factory reset. A soft reset simply power cycles the device to address temporary bugs. A factory reset, which we're focusing on, wipes all data and settings, performing a deeper clean. Remember, this will erase custom configurations and paired devices, so only proceed if necessary. While steps vary slightly by model, the general process involves pressing and holding the power and volume buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. Look for an LED indicator or on-screen prompt signaling the reset is complete. Consult your specific model's manual for precise instructions, available on the Polk Audio website or app. For the Magnify series, press and hold the power button on the remote until the LED blinks, indicating a reset has initiated. Different models may have alternative button combinations, so check the Polk Audio online documentation for your specific device to avoid any issues during the reset process. Before attempting a factory reset on your Polk Audio Soundbar, try these simpler troubleshooting steps that often resolve common issues. First, check the HDMI ARC connection. Make sure the HDMI cable is securely plugged into the ARC ports on both your television and soundbar. Loose connections can cause no sound issues. Second, verify that both devices are set to the correct input. Your TV should be on the HDMI ARC input, and the soundbar should be on HDMI input. Incorrect input settings can prevent audio from playing. Third, check the volume and mute settings. Ensure the soundbar volume is turned up and not muted using the remote control. Sometimes the issue is as simple as the volume being turned down or muted. Finally, perform a power cycle. Turn off both the TV and soundbar, unplug them for 30 seconds to clear any temporary glitches, then plug back in and turn them on. This often resolves freezing or connectivity issues without needing a full reset. After resetting your Polk Audio Soundbar, you'll need to reconfigure it to restore your settings and connections. First, repair your Bluetooth devices. Put the soundbar in pairing mode by pressing the Bluetooth button, then reconnect your phone, tablet, or other devices. Next, configure your audio settings. Use the remote or app to adjust volume, sound modes like movie or music, and equalizer settings for the best listening experience. If your soundbar has Wi-Fi capabilities, reconnect to your home network. This enables smart features and streaming services integration. Finally, ensure you have the latest Polk Audio app installed. It provides seamless setup assistance and handles firmware updates to prevent future issues. With these steps complete, your soundbar should be fully configured and running smoothly. To prevent future issues with your Polk soundbar, regularly update the firmware through the Polk Audio app. These updates include bug fixes and performance improvements that can stop freezing, Bluetooth drops, and other common problems. Check for updates quarterly to keep your device running smoothly. If a factory reset doesn't resolve your issue, or if you encounter persistent problems like HDMI ARC pass-through failures, consider contacting Polk Audio support directly. They can provide specialized assistance and address potential hardware issues. Keep your soundbar's model number and purchase date handy.